Is the dollar's 80-year dominance coming to an end? Yes, today. I'm going to answer that question. Not an optimistic fairy tale, not fear-mongering, just the reality. Think. At 4 a.m., a Brazilian farmer sells soybeans to China. He doesn't get paid in dollars. In India, Russian oil is being bought. Again, not in dollars. And in 2026, oil tankers passing through the Strait of Hormuz start paying in yuan. Something is changing. Welcome to economic history, a place where the hidden truths about how money, power, and economic history shape our present are revealed. For 80 years, one currency has dominated the world: the US dollar. It controlled trade, energy, global finance. But now, that system is starting to crack. After World War II, the US built a system where everything revolved around the dollar. Then came the real power move: oil. In 1974, the US made a deal with Saudi Arabia. Sell oil only in dollars. That meant if you wanted energy, you needed dollars. The entire world had to buy into the system. But today, that system is under pressure. The dollar is still dominant, but its share in global reserves has dropped massively. Countries are starting to ask, what if we don't need it? China is building its own payment system, buying gold, trading oil in yuan. BRICS countries are doing deals in their own currencies. And slowly, quietly, the dollar's foundation is being challenged. Then came a major shock. In 2022, the US froze $300 billion of Russian reserves. That sent a message to the world. The dollar isn't just money, it's a weapon. And suddenly, countries started looking for alternatives. So is the dollar collapsing? Not exactly. It's still the strongest currency in the world. But something bigger is happening. We are moving from one dominant system to a multipolar world. Imagine this. China trades in yuan. Europe trades in euros. The US still uses the dollar. No single system, no single power, just competition. This isn't the end of the dollar. It's the end of its monopoly. And the next system hasn't been written yet. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content.